nous avons un audiobook aussi. Nous avons des livres pour jeunes, teenagers, nous avons de l'enfance à l'adolescence. So, nous avons des livres pour tout le monde. Non, pour petit monde, pour bébé, nous avons des bébés de bébé jusqu'à l'adolescence. Okay. Preschool. And then.
Mais c'est qui côté mobile là fonctionne, côté le bail
service?
service?
Nous bail service dans la communauté en fait de Stamford là.
Okay.
Et nous visitons daycare et nous visitons preschool et puis elderly person yo tout, moun qui pas ka venir dans la librairie physique là, nous aller vers eux-mêmes. Lecture là, il commence de naissance.
Exactement.
Depuis petit moun nan fait, depuis nan voiture, il faut commencer lire pour petit moun nan. Depuis nan vente et puis il a commencé à lire, Donc ses parents eux aussi ils ont un travail important pour faire, lire pour petit moun yo depuis naissance et puis pour carrément lire. M'a distribuer nous feuilles ça yo. OK, c'est spécialement pour summer reading là. OK, programme summer reading là et puis n'a besoin de schedule qui côté pour nous enregistrer, OK? Et puis pour nous grand prix, profitez pour un grand prix de lecture. C'est pas pour jeunes seulement, non, pour adultes aussi, OK? Pour adultes.
Do you know about summer reading?
Yes.
What is summer reading?
Reading on the summer.
Summer reading. When you read books, what you get?
Prizes.
Who said that? Knowledge and when, beside that, when you read, you will get prizes. Each book you read, you get prize. Who's the driver?
You.
I'm not the driver.
The person that has their license.
That's better. She's the driver.
Hi, from Ferguson Library. My name is Bertha, and then we welcome you aboard. Okay, and then we encourage you to go to the library, any of the branches, to buy our books, DVDs, whatever you want to do. I'll provide you with a card, okay, library card. It's free of cost, okay. Nothing to pay, okay.
Very good reader. It didn't matter because he could tell a lot from the pictures. Herb liked the scary ones best, with pictures of dinosaurs gobbling up other dinosaurs, or swooping vampires chasing people who had foolishly decided to go for a midnight stroll without any garlic. Herb read his books everywhere. This was why many of the pages were stickily stuck together, soggy around the edges.
Okay, good. Anyway, thank you. The only thing I have to tell you, better you have something to communicate to the kids. The only thing, don't forget to read. I know you're going to go to summer camp, but make reading a priority, because if you don't read during the summer and when you come back to school, you're going to forget a lot of things. Okay? And don't forget to ask mommy, daddy, you want to go to the library and you read and you get your prizes. Okay? It was nice to have you in the library. And if you don't have library card, you still can apply for library card.
Now?
Yeah, if you don't have. If you live in Stamford.
I have one, but I don't want to keep on.
Thank you so very much. Thank you so very much.